If you recall, the slope between 2 points, it's your change in y over change in x, or the change of the dependent variable over the change in the independent variable. So the units for the derivative of a function f of x is the unit for f over the unit for x. And the problem doesn't always have to be in f of x. It could be in, for example, h of t. In that case, it'll just be the unit for h over the unit for t. If f prime of x is greater than 0, then f of x is increasing. The function is increasing by going up. If f prime of x is negative or less than 0, then f of x, the original function, is decreasing. Gotta remember these. Question 1. Mr. S wants Mr. B to finish creating his packets in Algebra 2. The number of packets Mr. B has completed is modeled by P of W, where W is measured in weeks. Interpret P of 10 equal to 1 in the context of the problem. 10 is your input, W. So after 10 weeks, and then the output, the number of packets Mr. B completed. Mr. B completed 1 packet. Interpret P prime of 39 equals 4. So this is a derivative now. On the 39th week, Mr. B is completing packets. This tells you the rate. At a rate of 4 packets per week. Question 2. The rate at which Mr. K is buying baseball cards per year is modeled by B of t, where and t is measured in years. So t is measured in years. And then buying baseball cards per year, the rate is B of t. So interpret B of 3 equals 150. So after 3, or on the 3rd year, because this is already a rate, you want to say like on the 3rd year, you can just literally write this as it is. The rate at which Mr. K is buying baseball cards per year. The rate at which Mr. K is buying baseball cards per year is 150. It's buying 150 baseball cards per year. Interpret B prime of 4 equals 10. So B of t was already the rate. So B prime of 4 will just tell you how much the rate is increasing or decreasing by, but increasing in this case because derivative is positive. So on the 4th year, the rate at which Mr. K is buying baseball cards per year is increasing at a rate of 10 cards per year. The rate at which Mr. K is buying baseball cards per year, because it's a derivative, that's increasing at a rate of 10 cards per year. So your final units would be 10 cards per year squared. This 10 represents 10 cards per year squared. Per years squared, because it's 10 cards per year per year. And you can go ahead and start the practice now.